ka surjong phi ka thang jangi
Kasinjam ka balakmi linti ban pinklanya ka logistic hakathon northeast ka Amazon India kala pinyar ya ka jingshakri kitmar bakarpang jong ka Amazon Air da ka ba pinrong ya ka linti thamai ka ba pinyaso ya ka Guwahati bat Kolkata. Lasdang ya ka Amazon to Air House nam arhajar arpulai bat menchua kala trikam ha ka nong ba kum ka Hyderabad, Delhi, Mumbai bat Bangalore. Kijing penhe kala khmi lenti ban kan pinstet ya ka jing shalan mar da ka sansha kabala ar jing yarap ya bro nyautli ki jala jong ka northeast Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland bat Tripura. Kaling Amazon to Air ka baning kong sha Guwahati lapan her pajba na Indira Gandhi International Airport ha New Delhi da Union Civil Aviation Minister Umintri Katnat Ling Sunt Ram Mohan Naidu Kinjarapu.
Ecosystem for small businesses, especially MSMEs, self-help groups in the country to actually promote and sell their products on e-commerce. And Northeast, if you see, has been the priority focus area for our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. And under his leadership, in the last 12 years, we have done multiple things, especially in offering better multimodal connectivity to Northeast. If you look at our airports, in 2014, we used to have 9 airports to Northeast. Today, we have more than 16 airports. And if you look at the roads, they are happening at much greater speeds in Northeast. And rail network, what's supposed to be impossible under Ashwini ji's strong leadership, we have given a lot of rail connectivity also. With this strong multimodal connectivity that has been established in Northeast, it is our responsibility to unlock the true cargo potential. And now with this air cargo connectivity, we are giving more strength to the ecosystem for perishables, for high valued products, for agricultural produce and other items which have to be shipped in a very time sensitive manner. And I think this is going to unlock a great economic opportunity for the Northeast itself. And Amazon also, the way it is doing its operations, the whole economic boost it is giving to these tier 2 and tier 3 cities, it is highly appreciable. And if you look at the recently presented budget by the government of India, we are also putting special focus on air cargo. We are trying to create more infrastructure. We are trying to create better warehousing systems around the airports so that air cargo network gets a boost. And also courier exports, which is specifically in the e-commerce area, we are removing the cap on courier exports also. So considering this, the vision of our Prime Minister is to make India a strong, high-quality manufacturing market. We want to create products which are not only for the people of this country, but for people across the world. And it is with that reform mode, it is in that mission mode that India is working today. And people like Amazon bring a lot in assisting us to achieve that at the international level. And especially if you look at the Northeast, for years it was supposed to be a disconnected region. But today it has become the priority and the strong focus area for the country. You are seeing a lot of touristic growth happening there. You are seeing a lot of economic growth happening there, industry growth happening there. And you can see the transformation right at the individual level and the household level. And now Northeast, where you have the 7 sister states, with this Amazon air connectivity, the cargo connectivity that we are giving, each and every state gets strongly connected. Not only with Delhi or other hubs in the country, but also international destinations also. There are huge high quality products that Northeast is giving us today, where the demand is there for us across the world. And it is only how you can connect them to the international markets on capitalizing, on utilizing the whole demand that it is creating. There are products like oud, which comes from Northeast. There are